Hi guys, today I'm making another YouTube video, another how-to video on how to make like a fruit salad or something. So yeah, that's gonna, oh, someone's at the door. Just see who that is. Oh, don't mind the mess, don't mind the mess.
Oh, hey,
Hi.
I left some stuff here yesterday. I just came around to pick it up,
Yeah. You came at the perfect time though, because I'm just in the middle of filming something. So you should.
Look, I
should.
don't really want to be a part of your.
No.
video.
You're not getting your stuff until you do the video, Lewis. You have to do it with me now. You have to. Just don't mind the mess, Lewis. Don't mind the mess. That's just a mess over there. So
Alright, what are we doing today?
Well, what we're doing is, I forgot. No, what we're doing is we're doing a thing. It's a fruit salad. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna get Lewis-sized bananas. Can you yeah, open them? Yeah. So, and we come over here. See, I got an apple. Making fruit salads. Just frozen wild, why don't you? And then. So, we've got a chopping board here. See? It's a chopping board.
Okay, alright, fine. Where's the... Do you want me to do some knife or some shit?
So, we're gonna... See this, Lewis?
Yeah.
You go like this.
Okay. Hold on. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright. Ready? You sure this is the right way?
That's not the...
round?
Oh,
oh my
jeez.
god.
And then I'll open the banana. I'm opening the banana.
Wow.
It works, see?
Beautiful. How do I...
I am good at camera work. I'm good at camera work, Lewis. So yeah, your stuff it's currently just in my room, and I masturbated all over it.
What?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Oh, nothing.
Alright, come on.
Just yeah. So now that we've done that, yeah, great work, Lewis.
Thank you.
Now we now ignore the apples.
It's all over me.
It's all over me. Lewis, see that red thing? Get it, piece of shit. And then you have to get the jug while you're at it. Yes. Is it weird that I'm hard now?
How long is this gonna last?
Yeah, that's a good... Let me get the jug. See the jug? Yeah. This is a fruit salad though.
I think fruit salads aren't blended.
Exactly.
That's not how...
That's good
That's
point.
What fruit salad is.
Good point. So now we're gonna put all this and the banana. Let's see.
I hate it. I hate it so much.
You just put it in there and then just it's all on my hand now. Oh jeez. Oh god. So Mr. Cameraman, can you take the camera?
Sure.
Because you're not the cameraman now. So. Oh, there's cyanide in here. Look, cyanide.
Please help me. The address is it's Friskin Place. I don't know what the number is. Please just come and get me as soon as possible. I don't know how long he's gonna keep me here.
Yeah, you don't know how to leave, Lewis. Like, the doors. Okay. So come with me. Come. You gotta open the fridge, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See this?
Yeah.
This.
Oh no! Are you fucking kidding me?
Essential. Ashley, why don't we just cut so I can wash my hands?
Sure.
Alright, we're back. Lewis is having a yo-yo session with fucking measuring tape. So we're gonna open this now.
Anything can be a toy. Anything's a dildo if you believe. Pardon me.
Yeah, that's Lewis.
Oh, jeez,
Oh,
it's fucking
he
cracked.
just dropped it, and so we're gonna get this meat right for the fruit salad. You put it. Oh god.
How much? How much you putting in?
Oh no!
Jesus, you fucking Parkinson's?
No, okay, that's enough. That's enough for me. What else, Lewis?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Oh, jeez. Yes. Extra virgin avocado oil. Extra virgin,
It's
Lewis.
my kind of olive oil.
We have to sacrifice many virgins for this avocado oil.
Fuck is this, like childproof lock?
10 years later.
It's so oily, it will come off. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that! Look at that fancy,
God.
fancy top thing. Pour it in, Lewis. Pour it in.
Just there. No!
No, more, Lewis, more.
We only need a bit. Doesn't take much to be a virgin.
Okay. Now let's.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Alright, how about salt? How about the last twirl?
The last twirl, sure. Yeah, you come to my house for your shit, and then you just fuck up my shit as well. Just fucking, it's almost like you don't want to be here. Oh, jeez.
Actually, I was gonna eat a chip, and then I realized you just rubbed your hands in fucking ham for like 2 hours, so...
Yeah. Lewis, eggs.
No, not
Yes.
the eggs.
Eggs.
No.
Yes.
How many? Oh god.
Let's get the one that looks like sketchy as fuck. Okay.
Man.
Lewis, may you hold the camera? Look at this, my pantry, by the way. Yeah, I record well.
Now you can track where we live. Where he lives. I don't live here.
So, I've never tried a raw egg before, but now I'm going to. Should I put the shell in as well? No, I shouldn't.
No.
That's it.
That's too much. That's too far.
So, step-by-step guide of how to get sick before your exams. So
This is how you get out of doing your prelims.
Yeah. And we're gonna put in some Lewis or creamy peanut butter and jelly.
Wait, what the fuck? Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Actually, said I had peanut butter and jelly for breakfast.
No one cares, Lewis. No one cares.
I care. I care. Yeah, that was a nice sensual moan there. So you fucking
So you're supposed to put that in.
the ice cream out. Okay. No! Stop!
You've got all your ingredients and you've got your Lewis over here that's stuck here.
Put my fucking
You get your milk.
Put my blood in there.
Your little whirl of smoke and you pour it in. Yeah, that should be. Should be enough, or maybe a little more. Yeah, you gotta do it very silently. Very silently. Okay, and then you put the cap on. I think this is the cap, right? Yep.
Yeah. Oh, alright, fuck it.
Ow! Jeez. Okay. Then you get your plug, and you gotta plug it in somewhere. I won't reach, Lewis. Yeah, follow me. Follow me. Now you plugged it. Now that you've plugged it in, and you've had something follow you using the camera, and yeah, you press these buttons that you can't see because someone doesn't know how to aim a camera. Yeah, that button. Oh no. Actually, no. Let's go put on. While this is editing, because this isn't actually going through. I hope. You edited this out, Lewis, right? You've edited this part out, right? Yeah. You edited this part out. You can't fucking even hear me right now. You edited it.
Better be able to shoot this thing at the end. You need like a bottle. milk bottle and there's some Okay, what time is it? 11:30, we gotta get our shit on.
Okay, now that you've edited the part out where you've did it, hopefully, we can edit. We edit well.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You got the jug, and then you drink it. Oh jeez. Yeah, Lewis is okay. And then you
Just put it in the tiny hole there.
yeah, that's a great idea, Lewis.
Do you have straws?
Yeah, I have straws. They are here somewhere.
Fine. I guess I'll just go look for them. Oh, we forgot to put chocolate whiz in it. Damn it. Oh god. What did we put in here? Oh, what the fuck is that? Is that the sticker?
Okay, that's the sticker from the thing. So that's your. I'll just drink from. I'll get
You're
it.
just gonna drink from there.
No, I'll drink from. I'll drink from this.
The ham. Oh god,
I'll drink
the
from this.
ham.
Okay.
I'm gonna have one sip and then I'm done.
Okay, you ready, Lewis? This is a fruit salad.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Great.
Leaving.
It's just.
Oh god.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, bye. This is how to shoot up a fruit salad after it's done. That was underwhelming.